Good morning, dear friend. Today's video, I will discuss how we have to calculate the moments about the central. That means this is illustration from the following data. Calculate moments about assumed mean 25 and convert them into a central moments. That means firstly we have to calculate the moment about the assumed mean, that any value is given, then we have to convert in a central moment. So data is given, X series is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and frequencies corresponding are given 1, 3, 4, 2. So how we have to solve? Classes are given. I have written 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So firstly I have calculated the mid values. Mid values, how I have to calculate? 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 15. And so on, I have got this one. Then frequency is already given 1, 3, 4, 2. So firstly I have calculated D. How I have to calculate the D? The D is equal to X minus A. Assumed mean. Assumed मैंने ले ली, value already given and that is 25. So X is 5. 5 minus 25. The answer will be minus 20. 15 minus 25. The answer will be minus 10. तो सारे ही class में I am getting 10 as a common. So I have divided this term by 10. माइनस 20 आया था तो 10 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, आई विल गेट माइनस 2. यहाँ पर माइनस 10 तो देन आई हैव डिवाइडेड बाय 10, सो आई गॉट माइनस 1 लाइक दिस. नाउ आई हैव फॉर्मुलेट द अनदर कॉलम FD. I have already F and I have formulated the D column. FD means we have to multiply the values of F and D column. 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and so on. Now I have formulated another column that is FD square. That means D square के D की items का square कर लेना. 4, 1, 0, 1 उसको F की items के साथ multiply कर देना. 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 0, 0 and so on. फिर मैंने column बना लिया FD3. That means D वाले column का cube कर देना. It will be minus 8, minus 1, 0, 1. Then I have to multiply with the items of F column. So I am getting here minus 8, minus 3, 0, 2. Then I have getting FD4 column. D4 means I have to take the fourth power of D items. Then I have to multiply with F. So this is FD4 column. So I have also taken the sigma. FD is equal to minus 3. FD square is equal to 9. FD cube is equal to minus 9. FD4 is equal to 21. Now I have to calculate the moment about the point X is equal to 25. This is already given in the statement. That means about X is equal to 25, I have to calculate. This is the first moment. Mu1 dash is equal to H into sigma FD over N. H I have taken because I have divided D column item by 10. 10 के साथ मैंने divide करा था तो उस factor को हमने H ले लिया. तो H की वैल्यू यहाँ पर लिखनी है. H sigma FD over N. FD हमारे पास is a minus 3. H I have considered 10. 10 into minus 3 over N. N means sigma F. That is 10. इसको multiply करके simplify करेंगे. I am getting minus 3. Then mu2 dash. mu2 dash means FD square. अब साथ ही I have to multiply with H square. तो H square क्या होएगा? वही 10 लिया था, 10 का square कर लेना. So I have calculated this one. mu3 dash, that is H cube FD cube over N, and mu4 dash H4 sigma FD4 over N. मतलब यहाँ पर हमने H square H3 H4 इसलिए लिया because मैंने यहाँ पर term common थी 10. तो 10 is considered as a H, so I have put here H. Now these are the moments about the assumed mean. Now I have to convert them into a central moment. How I have to calculate the central moments? Moments about mean. That means mu1 is 0, mu2. It is a central moment. That means mu2 dash minus mu1 dash का square. mu2 dash I have already calculated. That in the previous sheet I am showing mu2 dash I have calculated. This is 90 and mu1 dash is minus 3. Minus 3 का square. It will be 9. To 90 minus 9 it will be 81. Then mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. mu3 I have already, mu3 dash I have calculated, mu2 dash we calculate kara, mu1 dash सारी values I have already calculated the previous sheets. So I am just substituting here. So I am getting this is minus 144. Then mu4, this is mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash power 4. सारी की सारी वैल्यू आई हैव ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड. mu4 डैश आई हैव mu3 डैश mu4 देखिए मेरे पास कितनी है. mu4 डैश इज 21,000. दैट मीन्स mu4 डैश की वैल्यू पुट कर दी. mu3 डैश भी है, mu1 डैश भी है, सारी वैल्यूज पुट करी. तो आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन आई गॉट दिस वन. दिस इज द क्वेश्चंस. दैट मीन्स हाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द central moments. That means central moments means we can say moments about mean. Previous part we have calculated the moments about the point, and here two questions are asked. That means we have to calculate the moment about the point and moment about the mean. Central moments means moment about the means. Questions how we have to calculate this one. Thank you dear friend. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share with other also.